Earth Shaker Spin Master Monster Jam Series 30. Hello fans and welcome back to this unboxing and review from the Spin Master Monster Jam series of Earth Shaker in Series 30. On the side is right there. In Legacy Trucks, they put Earth Shaker in that series. Now Dragon, he is in Phased Out. And then we have Blue Thunder, which is in Steel Reveal. Then we have Rainbow Blast in Alternate Dimensions. Max D, he is in Legacy Trucks. Then we have the Monster Jam Fire Rescue, which is in Everyday Heroes. Then we have Fuel Academy in Trucks on Duty. And then the last one is Carnage Akesada, which is in the Monster Feast. And that is the chase piece. So let's go ahead and unbox Earth Shaker. Out of the package, here is Earth Shaker. We get the BKT lettering on the tires and then the yellow wheels. We get a gray chassis and then a black roll cage. Earth Shaker's body is pretty much has stayed the same throughout the Spin Master Monster Jam series since it debuted in this series. And then we have back here, it says the monsterjam.com on the back. But then you can see this is the change right here in the back of the truck, is we no longer have dirt in the back. This is a big deal because this represents more of what it looks like in the real world of Monster Jam without the dirt. And so this clip right here in the back, you can see it's black right here. This little clip back here is a kind of nice idea because you can see it on the Monster Jam Earth Shaker real truck. I'm going to just say that it looks like that it's a part of the roll cage because once the body comes off, that might help it, the truck, in some ways to be able to stay together a little bit more. So that is the big deal right here in Earth Shaker, taking away the dirt. And even in the mini series, see, they had the dirt in the back, but no longer. So this is a nice updated version of the real life Earth Shaker Monster Jam truck. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of Earth Shaker, and I'll just put this little mini in the back. Thank you for tuning in.